Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I want to give y'all an update on my experiences with the Galaxy Z Fold8 for the last 48 hours. I'm going to go over the things I like about it, and then we're going to have a friendly discussion about some things I don't like about it. And I'm going to just tell y'all the truth, 100%, go into it. This video, it may make some people mad overall, but it is what it is. But let's get into it. I don't like talking too much. Well, I do like talking. But the first thing, I like the build. I love how sleek this is. It's lightweight. It feels great in the hands. It's like a perfect weight for someone trying to get into the foldable world. The thing is, to me, when you compare it to like the Z Fold 7 or even my Razer Ultra, it's a baby. Like this, the Razer just spit out this little Z Fold 8. Now, for some people, you might like the overall size of it. For me, it's a baby. I'm gonna just keep on saying that. But I do like the overall like feel of it, the build, how thin it is. Not bad. I don't know. I wish it was just a little bit bigger. Making phone calls hasn't been bad. Comparing it to the Watch Ultra 2 or pairing it with that, everything works out great. The software, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset seems really good so far. Battery life is pretty good. Well, I'm at 63%. I've been on it all day since like 6 o'clock in the morning. So battery life seems really good too. I like how you can charge really fast on here. So overall, the battery life has been good. Software, it's Samsung software, so that is also a plus. Now, let's get into some things that may not be, favorable for everyone, but for me, I don't know about this ratio, y'all. I don't know about the smaller, wider phone. For me, I like and I'm enjoying my Razer more than the Z Fold 8. I mean, look at it. For me, this is just a baby. I'm gonna say something. When you get a new phone or new something, it's supposed to have a spark. You're supposed to be excited about it. When I use this phone, there's nothing exciting about it. I'm like, oh, it's just a baby. It's just a little fold phone. Now, will that change? Maybe. I compare it to like a first date. When you go on a first date, yeah, it might be cool. You talk a little bit, but that spark is not there. You really don't want to pursue the relationship any further. That's almost how I feel with this Galaxy Z Fold 8. And I know people are going to say in the comments, why do you buy it? Because I want to try it out. I'm a reviewer. I'm a YouTuber. We try out things. Am I going to get rid of it? No. I'm not going to get rid of it. Trust me, I'm on bill credits. Can't really get rid of it. I'm not going to return it. I am going to try it and use it and see if I like it. Now, watching YouTube videos, yes, you get a bigger screen. Sometimes people tell you to hold it like this, which seems really odd to hold it. I just don't like holding a phone this way for whatever reason. But is it a beautiful screen? Yes, this display is amazing. Look at that. There's barely any crease there. And then the hinge is pretty snappy too. Not bad at all. The hinge is really good too. So it has a lot going for it. For me, it's just the size. Like, I don't know. Yes, I could have went to Best Buy. Maybe y'all should. If you're trying to pick it up, maybe you should go to Best Buy and go look at it before you actually come and pick it up. Now, in the cameras, I'm not too worried about telephoto lens right now. It's not a big deal, but some people love the telephoto lens and it doesn't have it. I did a 4K 60 video. Y'all can check that out. Is a 4K pretty good? Yeah, it was pretty good. But I want to compare it to my Razer Fold and just see which one has the better cameras. Stay tuned. That video probably will be coming soon. But overall, the spark is not there, y'all. I mean, I do enjoy using it. I've been watching TikTok, watching Facebook, and then like I still got to figure this out too. When I look at Facebook, it makes me flip the phone, and it only can hold it this way. Does it look good this way? Yeah, it just feels really weird holding the phone this way. Shout out to Cam Jordan there. If you know, you know. And then, I mean, it just feels a little weird holding the phone that way. And Facebook opens that way no matter what. Now, I mean, don't get me wrong. Multitasking on here, having the 3 different apps is all pretty good too. So, I like the apps on here. But you still have black bars though. Drew Brees to the thing. So, overall, am I enjoying the phone? Yes. But I'm just saying that the spark is not there. I don't know. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about it. Did you pick it up? What color did you get? What storage size did you get? But for me, overall, yes, I'm enjoying it, but that spark is just not there yet. It might come. You know, sometimes you have relationships where it's not love at first sight. Maybe that's me too. If you do love your phone, let me know in the comments. I know, let me have it too, because once you start talking about someone's phone and they love it, they're very opinionated. So let me know what y'all feel about it. I want to hear from y'all too. But overall, the overall thickness of it, how it feels in the hands, yeah, pretty good. The hinge is pretty good too. But maybe a little bit taller? Maybe a little bit taller with the same width, maybe? I don't know. Y'all let me know. I was just making this update video. Stay tuned. I will have more videos coming out, more case videos, more camera comparisons, maybe even a gaming video. But let's have a friendly discussion in the comments below. I always like having those friendly discussions. Also, make sure you like this video. Follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Hit that subscribe button. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here, y'all. Maybe I will get that spark one day. Peace.